Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are using Facebook ID. Suddenly, various news, money income on Facebook ID. If you want another money or extra money income your Facebook ID, then only one setting very important for income to money income on Facebook ID, then only one setting enable your Facebook option. So let's check out. First, click your Facebook icon, then click your profile logo and click see dashboard option. Under site, click create a support option and click monetization option. Make money with reels option click and first add one reels option click. Under site showing no option and select other option and type your Facebook related different terms and click this submit option. Thank you for Facebook help. Already selected this Facebook ID and fill up this option, enable this option. If you want money on Facebook ID, then same way setting your Facebook settings. Thank you for watching my video.